Hello guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Today I'll be revealing to you guys two African polygamists on Ultimate Love. There were two polygamists on Ultimate Love reality TV show, and you might be interested in finding out. Men have been described as naturally polygamous, but Africans are said to have more of the polygamous gene in them. Some of the male love guests were more African than their counterparts. The Ultimate Love reality show was initiated for love guests to find love, and not just that, but sincerely initiating it together forever. There were 11 male guests on the Ultimate Love show. In case you have forgotten, here is a quick reminder of their names: Michael, J, Arnold, Kachi, Chidi Banks, Ike, Obichukwu, Chris V, David Wilson, Louis, and Jerry. Out of these 11 male love guests, 2 of them were polygamists, and they proved it. Let's drop the bomb. Here are the 2 guys. Polygamists on Ultimate Love: David and Jerry. David Wilson was one of the most vibrant male love guests, and you might want to point towards his direction when loving for some of the seemingly romantic guys on the show. If you agree with this, at least you can say he was better than Louis, who was crowned the most unromantic guy on the Ultimate Love reality TV show. David was one of the few guys who showed us that they might have made their choice of a partner even before Auntie requested that they submit the names of the person they might want to be with. He glued to Rosie, and we were all happy seeing them together, and some even congratulated him as a smart guy who quickly got himself a big fish. He was already looking like a married man, happily laying the foundation for his home with Rosie until Presh Talker came on board. We all were thinking this was it when the famous kiss, so viewers called the Judas kiss, happened, and the so-called Rosie's man jumped off the boat and chose Presh Talker. You know the whole story of how Rosie picked David 3 times but got the opposite from her supposed lover. What more can you say about the African polygamists on Ultimate Love? David, we celebrate you. The second polygamist on Ultimate Love is Jerry. Our own dear Jerry came into the love pad with anti-second batch Liz. The fine actor, designer, and model had Sylvia as his partner on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, but the turbulence in it was a pointer that he would either divorce his partner soon or add a new one. Fortunately or unfortunately, he divorced his first partner and got a new one. When he saw a new shady come into the love part, that is Meriton, our guy did not think twice before undoing the dawn. He grabbed Meriton, and Sylvia was provided with Chidi Banks. This did not happen without some emotional crush. As if that was not enough, some days of cuddling Meriton, the music again changed, and this time it was reggae. Jerry told Meriton that they are very good friends. You must be kidding. Even when they were evicted, they both agreed that they were mere friends and might want to know each other more. We all know that every marriage starts on a friendship note. Ultimate Love was not an avenue to find friends. You could as well get one in a mall, recreational center, cinema, or anywhere else. With the way things ended for Jerry and Meriton on Ultimate Love, don't be surprised if you get the news of another partner around Jerry. He is a serial African polygamist. Okay guys, this is what I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment to get more gist and and gossip happening around the world. Alright, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.